it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, queen of the Granny Nights. Okay, so most of us have a job. Most of us have a 9 to 5, and we know that we like to look good and we're going to get our work on. So I would like to give you some cute outfits that I think that we can turn from office wear to nighttime wear all in the same go. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so for the first outfit we got going on here, this is from Shein. It's a nice pair of black slacks. Oh, sorry y'all, my goodness. Now these earrings come from Shein. It just popped out my ear. So I don't know if that's trying to tell you something. It's my favorite too. Sorry about that. But anyway, back to the show. So these slacks come from Shein. Sorry I cannot get the whole entire view, but they're very, very tight and very form-fitting, as you can see. Now I do like these. The only thing I don't like about these pants are that they do not zip. They don't come all the way up. So if you have a big old booty, they're not going to come all the way up, as you can see. So if you got the job, depending on what type of shirt you're trying to wear with this, you might have some issues, all right? But I chose to pair it with this pretty shirt. I love this blouse so much. I think it's very sexy and classy all at the same time. And I think it would do very well in an office setting. Now, one thing I did not know about this shirt is that it's see-through. I had no clue until somebody pointed it out for me. But you can kind of see my bra, huh? See the little diamond thingies? Now, tell your perverted boss to mind his business. But if you're trying to get a raise, this might be the good time to put this on, if you know what I'm saying. No, but seriously. This is what I put on. I think this is really cute. Now, if you wanted to have a nice outfit to go out in after work, this is for work. I want to show you what you could do after work. Now, I think that this cute little skirt, this little flare-out skirt, is cute to go when after your hard day at work and after your boss and got finished stressing you all out and you ready to go and get you a nice little drink before you go home to all the kids and whoever else will get on your nerves too. I think it would be cute to put this little skirt on, go get you a drink, go party a little bit. Nothing super major, but just cute enough to relax and, enjoy yourself. This skirt is from Shein as well. Nice little flare out. I like it. It's cute. Get you some nice heels or shoe boot to go with this. Obviously, I don't even try with the shoes no more because you can't see my full body anyway, and I cannot position the camera so you can see the whole thing, but you get the gist. You get it. So tell me what y'all think about this outfit here. I just absolutely love this shirt. You should definitely get it. I love this. Alright, so I absolutely love this blouse. It's so roomy, so comfortable. I love it. I feel like it's definitely perfect for going to work in. Very, very casual, but also very dressy when you need it to be. I paired it with the same slacks that I had on the other shirt. Like I said, these slacks can be a little much in the way of them trying to come up. Because like I said, you see, they don't come up. So just know, if you're trying to get these from Shein, be careful, especially if you have a really big butt. It might be some issues. But with this shirt, absolutely love it. It's like a satin. I think this is like a satin feel. I just love it. I love the color. I love the multicolor. I feel like you can pair this with other colors besides black. I think this would be great with even yellow pants because of the gold and yellow that's in it. Maybe even some red because it has so many different colors. I think you could do a lot with this shirt. But yeah, this is very, very comfy, very baggy and sexy, I feel. And I feel like you can also dress this down when you just want to go out for a regular day. I'm going to see how it looks dressed down with some jeans. Okay, so I was saying, I think that this could be dressed down. I think it looks cute with these jeans, these light colored jeans that I got from Rainbow. And I like these jeans a lot because they're very stretchy. They have a lot of stretch to them. But yeah, like with this shirt, you could even do like a what's it called? Like a belly. I don't know what it's called when you twist your shirt, but you can do one of these. I think that that's cute. Do it it like that. Yeah, so you can definitely dress this down, make it all cute and comfy like that, or you can tuck it in as well. I'm doing this stuff on the fly. Let's see. Yeah. This reminds me of the 90s though. when people used to tuck their shirts in and pull them out a little bit. That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, I like this. It's very cool and comfy. Like I said, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, either way. What are y'all feeling about this outfit here? Let me know down below. Okay, so the final outfit of the day is this cute, adorable jumpsuit that we got going on here. Also from Shein. I really, really love this jumpsuit. I think it's cute, very professional. I paired it with this shirt that I got from Rainbow. I do like it, but I don't like the cutout. I think it's kind of messing that up, but if it was together like this, that would be better. But since I don't have a full white shirt, which I think would go best with this one I have to work with. But yeah, I think this is really cute and from Shein. Now the only thing about this, by me being so short, 5'2", remember, these pants are very long, so I'm stepping all over them. So you're going to have to do a lot of hemming if you're short like me. And also, as you can see, this keeps happening. So it would take a little bit of hemming and sewing to make this fit like perfectly. But outside of that, I think this is so cute. And I think you could do casual or, you know, very business, however you like to do that. But yeah, this is very comfortable. I love it. And tell me what y'all think about it, because I really like it. So that concludes today's little haul. It was a small little haul, but it was for the working woman. We don't feel like waiting around all day long looking at clothes. We just want to get what we need to get so we get to sleep and get up and do it again tomorrow. So I hope y'all like some of the outfits that I chose. Hopefully, you know, you get you some stuff, some ideas to go to work in, and then get you a little drink after work and enjoy yourself. So let me know what y'all thought about all the looks down below in the comment section. And until next time, bye.